Claude just dropped Design 2.0, and if you're a solopreneur, this is one of those tools that could save you a ridiculous amount of time. I'm Mike, and I run my business with AI as my staff. No big team, no agency, no freelancers. So whenever a new AI tool drops, I'm really asking two questions. Can this save me time and make me more money? So in this video, I'm going to show you how Claude Design works, and I'm going to give you 3 ways you can actually use it to make money as a solopreneur. So let's get into it. First, let's get the settings right, because this is where a lot of people are going to mess up and wonder why the results suck. Go into Design and select Opus 5. Don't use Haiku, Sonnet, or Fable for this. Opus is where you want to be if you're looking for the best overall output. Then you're going to want to set your effort level to high. That's going to give Claude more room to think through the research, design choices, and overall execution. Before you generate anything, you'll also see the design system option. If you already have a brand with specific colors, fonts, a website, or other brand assets, you can upload those and Claude can build around them. If you don't have a brand yet, that's fine too. You can just let Claude make those decisions for you. Then you've got a template library. You've got slides, mobile apps, wireframes, documents, animations, UI mockups, resumes, flyers, research decks, and a whole lot more. Basically, you're getting something that feels a lot like having a designer sitting inside your chat window. And here's the part I really like. When you give Claude a task, it doesn't just immediately start throwing something together. It actually asks you questions first. Who is this for? What should it feel like? Do you want light mode or dark mode? Is there anything you absolutely don't want? You answer those questions, hit continue, and then you can watch it build everything in real time. Now, let's talk about how you can actually turn this into money. So the first one is for anyone who works with local businesses or wants to start working with them. So think like contractors, salons, gyms, pretty much any business that needs customers. And what you're doing here is you're replacing either hiring a web designer or spending an entire weekend trying to make an existing website look decent. And so with Claude Design, you can now build a website for any local business in one sitting. And guess what? You can actually charge for this as well. And I'm gonna show you how simple this is. So we're gonna start over here on this website right here. This is a local business. It's an IV Hydration in South Florida. And so if we take a look at this page, I mean, it's not a bad page, but you know, in 2026, this can look a whole lot better. And so all I did was I went ahead and I basically took a screenshot of this website. And so I used this Chrome extension I have that's that allows me to do it called Go Full Page. And I just took an entire snapshot of this. And then I went over to Claude Design and I went ahead and I just uploaded that photo of that website. And some additional things I did as well is I went ahead and I downloaded the logo. And I went ahead and I got this video that's playing right here on this site. I went and got the URL for that as well, because I want to incorporate those things into the new design. And so if we go ahead and we pull up the design right here, I went ahead and got all that stuff together. All I did was I told Claude that I wanted to go ahead and redesign this page right here, use these assets that I've attached, and I just want to give it more of a wellness vibe. And Claude's going to ask you a couple of questions, obviously. And you just answer those questions and then you just let Claude do what it does. And in about like 3 to 4 minutes time, you're going to come up with a build. And so this is what it did for me right here for this hydration website. It completely redesigned this with a whole different color scheme and it looks beautiful, honestly. I mean, this is really good. All it really did was it changed around the colors. It just gave it a nice flow. And this was off the first try. Because when you're doing this, you're gonna be going back and forth prompting to fine tune things. But this is what it did right here in the first try. And so what you take notice to is it's got the video, it's got the logo, and then it has a little placeholder areas for additional images, and it tells you what you should put here. And you don't have to, but it makes sense though. And so it tells you right here what types of images to go ahead and put in place right there. And so all you need to do is you can just get those images from the business themselves if you're working with them, or you can just kind of get similar images from stock free, copyright free sites like Pexels or something like that, and kind of place those images there in their place. But you know, this is real simple. This is a good good use case for using Claude Design if you're working with local businesses. And remember, this is actually replacing the job of them, or taking the hassle away from them having to work with like a $2,000 agency or something. You can just charge them a few $100 for this. So if you just, for a nice quick redesign, you can charge like $500. And literally you can go ahead and find the next business that needs a redesign as well and do the same thing. So let's go ahead and check out the next use case. All right, so method number 2 is for course creators and digital product sellers. This can replace a lot of work you normally outsource to a designer or spend hours doing yourself in Canva. You can create the sales page, the product cover, the pitch deck, and other marketing assets inside the same design system. And that's the part that's really powerful. So let's go ahead and jump over to Claude Design. And I want to go over a design that I did for myself. This was for one of my lead magnets. And I wanted to redesign the sales page because it was looking super, super basic. And I wanted to make it more in line with what my website currently looks like. And so if we come right here, this is for my faceless launch plan. This is my free 8-step guide on how to start an Instagram page, grow it with AI and all that stuff, and do this faceless. So this is a pretty cool freebie. You can check it out yourself on my website. But what I had before was looking crazy. And so what I did was I uploaded my landing page for this particular thing. And then I went ahead and uploaded a screenshot of what the cover for my guide looks like. And so as you can see right here, I just uploaded these 2 things into Claude Design, and I told Claude, create a landing page for my faceless launch plan guide. I've attached the current landing page being used, and I've also attached the cover of the guide/ebook. I like it to look like a proper landing page for this free guide. Maintain the design elements like the font, which is Archival Black, and the branding colors. And then I let Claude go to work. And then this is what it came up with right here, which you can actually see on my page right now, minus a few edits, but essentially this is what it is right here. And so it gave me a full proper landing page. And so it left areas for me right here. It says drop photo of Mike here. And so if you look at my site right now, you'll see this photo right there. It's got all these little details. It gave me a whole lot for a free guide. And I'm gonna be honest with you. I might actually cut this short because this entire page isn't needed for something that's free. But this shows you the potential right here. Like typically, something like this would take an entire day's work if you are manually creating your own sales pages. And all I did was I had this design created, and then I downloaded the design and I gave it to Claude Code to go ahead and rework my entire landing page. And it did this, in just a few minutes. So this is really, really awesome because the quicker you can go through and build these things out, the more money you can make because you can just start spitting them out rapidly. And so you don't want to waste all day trying to figure out how you're going to design your landing page for your particular product. Nobody has time for that. You want to make sales. You want to start focusing on things that are going to produce income. And so this is a very good use case right here that I use myself for Claude Design. Now, method number 3 specifically for freelancers and consultants who are already working with clients. So instead of paying another designer every time a client needs a mock-up done on their website or for their presentation, you can just build that into your own service. So you're not getting rid of the designer, but you're removing the time that it's going to take for them to do the mock-up and then you getting it back and presenting it to your client. So you essentially are doing the mock-up yourself. And you could literally sell this concept as your own paid deliverable. And so let me go ahead and walk you through what I'm talking about. So here on this website right here, say for example, your client just wants their admin dashboard redesigned. And so instead of going ahead and having your designer do that and having to wait however long it takes them to do that, you can go ahead and do this yourself. All right. And this could be its own charge right here. So you just take a screenshot of what you see right here on this page, and then you go right over to Claude Design. And then all you do is you upload that screenshot And then you just tell Claude, this is my current admin dashboard for my website. Please redesign it so it looks more professional and not AI generated. Maintain the brutalism UI. And give Claude about 2 or 3 minutes to do what it does. And then boom, you have a fresh mock-up of that dashboard ready to go. So instead of telling the client, I'll send this over once my designer gets back to me, you could potentially build the first version while you're on the call with them. They give you feedback, you make changes, they see it happen right in front of them. That's a completely different client experience. So that's the breakdown. Claude Design isn't just some tool for making cool presentations. If you're running a business by yourself, this can start functioning like your own design department. You can build websites and landing pages for local businesses, create an entire digital product suite, or even turn design into a new service you're selling to clients. The tool is the same. What you do with it is where the opportunity is. Drop a comment, tell me which one of these 3 you're going after first. And if you want the rest of the AI tools I'm using to run my business solo, grab my free solo AI stack. The link is in the description. I'm Mike, and I'll see you in the next one.